Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and for the third week in a row we have an S23 Ultra in the shop and David will fix it for us. Let's go! So here we have a broken display again on an S23 Ultra, and of course we have the expert in the house. David will swap out the housing and the display because that's the fastest way to fix a broken display on an S23 Ultra. And we've got a lot of S23 Ultra here in the shop. It seems like it's more popular than iPhones, to be honest. And here we have a pretty clean S23 Ultra. It has been opened before. You've seen that the adhesive is not factory. We're gonna remove the cover for the battery. We're gonna detach the connectors. You can see here. We'll remove some screws over the daughter board so we can uncover the internal components. We're going to remove this wireless charging layer, and here we have the main board up top. We are going to remove some smaller screws that are holding it onto the housing, and then we will remove the SIM card tray, remove the daughter board. We are going to remove this cable for the display. I'm gonna detach some connectors for the camera, for the S Pen and the battery. The board, everything that powers the smartphone is on that board. Next, we are going to remove the front camera. So this color of the housing is quite unique. You can see at the back of the aluminum housing, you can see the CNC machining traces. You've seen that it's high quality manufacturing from Samsung, and this is our replacement display, all brand new and covered in plastic. The same color, fortunately, for the client. So we will reverse the process. Main board first, put back all the connectors. So the housing has the connectors for the display and the S Pen, so it's just plug and play. Everything goes right back in, and we've sourced these parts specifically for these models of S23 Ultra. So you can, if you don't know by now, Samsung releases different types of models for different for the same name. For example, the S23 Ultra has some Korean version and some Western version, so it is important to find the correct part if you're gonna DIY this fix. With the Sydney CBD Repair Centre, we've already sourced and matched the parts, so you don't need to worry about compatibility. We repair it here, and sometimes we repair some mail-in repair requests from overseas clients. And as you can see here, this is a real-time repair of an actual client's phone, so you can bet that this is legit. So David has been doing this for many years now, so we are the go-to place for anything Samsung. So he's the Samsung Galaxy expert. So we've also branched out to foldable Samsung devices. So if you have a Z Flip, Z Fold, you can visit us for a screen replacement, especially for foldable smartphones with damaged creases. So now we have, I think, 80% completed the reassembly process. So at this point we can test if the housing and the display is working or not. gonna screw this back in. Power this on. Yep, it works. Remove the plastic and it looks factory brand new. You can just use this as a brand new smartphone, and we'll throw in a free cover for the screen. This is not tempered glass because it's got a smooth edge, so we'll just cover it with plastic. This is high quality, just to prevent some scratches on the housing, although it's Gorilla Glass. But if you drop this, it will not shatter into many pieces. Shards of glass can be contained if you have a plastic cover over the display. So this is no additional cost. We're just gonna have this as a freebie for the client. And yeah, if you have a S23 Ultra, you're welcome to visit us here in the shop and have your smartphone fixed. It's gonna be on a reasonable price. You don't have to buy the latest smartphone. You can save your money, wait for a few years, still use your S23 Ultra even in 2026. This is still a powerful smartphone. I think the latest S series is not that far off from the S23 Ultra. There you go. We're gonna cover it, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, guys. We release new videos. Hopefully not another S23 Ultra, but hey, if you like this kind of videos and you're interested in smartphone repairs and technology, and don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Give us a recommendation on what you want to see next, and this is the before and after. Very drastic difference. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.